Aduh, tak itu. Aduh.
Hi everyone, in this episode, we will share with you about some thrilling moments, freight cars, that will make you shake your brain. Let's check out. This car is too fast. When crossing a slippery road, the car lost control and hit a tree, then slipped down. By the way, all the passengers only suffered minor injuries.
Aduh, tak itu. Aduh. Buangnya katut, Rek. Wong kokon menang kok, ojo munggah. Wong kokon menang ojo munggah.
Palm oil is transported in a white car. It looks quite heavy for such a small car. The uphill road makes the car even more difficult to pass. The car tries hard, but it's impossible to finish the job. A person holding a camera shows the route to be followed. It seems he also looks like confused. Someone almost became a victim. Luckily, he quickly dodged away. This is the main road that connects every region. The road is muddy and there are many puddles. Every car has to try very hard. This car is tough, can easily pass the road, even though carrying a lot of stuff. It doesn't seem like a big problem. But, even for this vehicle, he was not lucky, or maybe the driver didn't have the guts skills. The car suddenly stalled and lost all power of the vehicle. Another vehicle must help so that the car can continue his journey. This driver is really unlucky. Trained driver skills, carrying heavy logistics, he showed his skills on the streets, looks easy to him. But you should never try this because this is very dangerous. A disaster for this vehicle. The roads are uphill and winding become a big problem. This car failed to pass the obstacles and ended in misfortune. Once again the car loses all its power, after starting through the uphill road. Looks like someone wants to help, but there was nothing he could do anymore. The car quickly spiraled out of control, and a few moments later it overturned.
Tinggal.
Dia langsung narik dari mati itu langsung kepalanya langsung sampai dia. Mati sih. Channel aja Jim. Channel aja dulu.
Except for this one, it seems that he is already proficient with the road. The driver looks very calm, even though the route is very dangerous. Shipping costs should be kept to a minimum, but they took extreme measures. One of them is this logistics delivery. Despite the difficulty when entering the ship's loading, he has to make sure all the logistics can be delivered at the destination.
Bali lagi yang kedua kalinya. Astagfirullah. Oke. Bang.
Bagaimana Om Roy? Balinya tidur?
Almost every car driver feels fear when passing through a difficult road. He loads this really crazy stuff. It's like a nightmare. Car nearly crash. Lucky for him, many people are ready to help him, even with difficulty. This driver seemed to have more luck this time around.
Akhirnya mobil ini dapat melanjutkan perjalanan kembali.
This driver had a bad day. Everything happens unexpectedly. Unexpectedly, bad things happen to him. This truck driver must be very concerned about what happened to him. Luckily no one else was around at this moment. But he had to calculate all the losses.